Have you ever wondered why you pay what you do for home insurance? Your premium doesn't only depend on the size of your home or the type of roof you have. In fact, property insurance companies in Florida consider tons of factors and details about your home in order to determine the right rate. Hundreds of points are used in assessing this risk. Let's take a closer look at just a few of those factors. Replacement cost. The replacement cost of your home is the amount of money you will need to rebuild your home in case of a disaster. Just remember that the replacement cost is not the same as the real estate value. You can find out what the replacement cost for your home is by contacting your local insurance agent, who typically have access to this type of data. You can also do some digging of your own by contacting local contractors and home builders. Construction type. Your home's construction type also plays a role in how much you pay for insurance. This is basically the type of material your home is made out of. You can find the construction details by looking up your home on your local housing appraisal website. This should have most of the important construction facts you need to know about. And because we tend to get hurricanes here in Florida, stronger homes that are made out of more durable construction material are more likely to get a cheaper home insurance rate. Garage type. Your garage type is actually very important for home insurance to know, whether it is built-in, attached, detached, or a carport. In order of favorites, insurers tend to pass on discounts to homes with built-in and attached garages. Those with detached garages or carports might pay a little bit more in premium. Fire hydrant. You might have already guessed that the location of your home has an impact on insurance rate. But have you thought about your nearest fire hydrant? This is because if your home ever catches fire, being close to a fire hydrant can literally be a lifesaver. Insurance companies typically like it when homes are located within 1,000 feet of a fire hydrant. And if you do live within this distance, you can expect to pay a lower premium. And that's a little bit about how home insurance premiums are calculated. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about home insurance and how it works in Florida, head over to homeinsured.org. If you're looking to buy a new policy, be sure to check out honeyquote.com, where you can compare multiple quotes from the top Florida carriers.